Today I'm going to go over exactly how we do multiple deals every single month by getting inbound motivated sellers completely on autopilot while giving out zero effort. And there's really not many things that can actually achieve this without spending so much money. And I really want to talk about one lead source that we do that does a lot of our deals that if you aren't doing already, you need to start doing. So as you can see on my screen here, I have Google pulled up with the keyword sell my house fast. And really what I'm getting into today is the power of just simply getting your website ranked, having a PPC campaign, and having a Google business profile on Google, because with this we get 10 to 15 motivated sellers every single month. We're in a local market of 250,000 people, so imagine if you were in a market much bigger than that, what you are able to get with the power of being actually ranked on Google with one of those three things. So as you can see here, this is my main company, Sue Empire Home Buyers, as well as ranking at the top for Sell My House Fast, people who buy houses for cash. You can see my campaign there, as well as my website at the top, as well as my Google business profile as well with 90 reviews. So you go to Cash Home Buyers Near Me, campaign here. Then we also have another piece of campaign here, profile, as well as our website. So when you have something like this that is consistently ranking all over the place on Google, this is what I call the trifecta system, or making sure that all three of these things are fully optimized to continue to rank at the top no matter what keyword anybody looks in. And obviously all these three different keywords are much different from each other. They're not very related in any way. And so when I want to rank for these three different keywords, that tells me a good sign that I'm ranking for a ton of keywords, and you're going to get found by a lot of people, hence why we get so many motivated sellers every single month. And so I really just want to go into exactly what it actually takes to earn something like this, how much it costs, and really goes into what actually gets it. So like I said, I'm in an area of 250,000 people. It's something where, not a huge area, but we still get that many motivated sellers. So if you think that there's not that many sellers actually out on Google, you are highly mistaken. That's something that, especially in much bigger areas, you are going to have so much success with this if you're able to rank very well. Now, pretty much here's the synopsis, I guess, of getting ranked in general. Obviously, PPC campaign, pay-per-click campaign. Every time somebody clicks on this, it costs a little bit of money. What I typically say is every $500,000 in reach, so 500,000 in reach, it costs anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 every single month in ad spend. This is optional. I'm usually all for making sure the first thing I'm doing, if I especially don't have a very huge budget, is getting a profile set up. You can get a Google Business Profile ranked very, very quickly for literally almost $0. It's completely free to make a profile as long as you do everything correctly. Actually, I'm going to link a video in the description to a video that I have on my YouTube channel talking about Google Business Profiles and ranking them properly as a real estate wholesaler. So go ahead and watch that video. But this is the first thing I'm doing as a real estate wholesaler, even if I have no money, because this is completely for free. What you want to get though is in order to rank it, you will need a website, which I'll talk about in the video, which I would recommend Carrot, which I have an affiliate link down below if you want to support the channel. However, with that being said too, is with an SEO website, when you get a website like Carrot, it doesn't cost very much. You can basically set up your website completely for free. You can get it fully optimized with your on page and make sure you get backlinks completely for free. And I will also link videos down below showing you exactly how to get your website ranked, because it does not take any money, very little money, at least if you do it yourself, to get your website up here. It just takes time. We all know that SEO, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes many months to actually build reputability with Google, but that's just fine if we're willing to wait, because this is what I would consider an asset. You're planting a tree for your wholesaling business to get consistent lead flow. So the first thing that you can do if you have a low budget, get your profile up there, because that is going to get you a motivated seller very quick, and it's much easier to get yourself ranking up here. Obviously, in a perfect world, we'd rather have a website and a PPC campaign, but that's the first thing I do with low budget. Once you start getting success with this, or start getting some funds with other consistent lead gen sources to get consistent deal flow, after you have a profile set up, is I would definitely, any day of the week, make sure you have a PPC campaign set up. Reason being is because, at least, yes, it is much more expensive to do this than run a website. But why I like this so much is because you can get deals pretty much instantaneously if you do it correctly. With a PPC campaign, I'll also link a video down below that'll show you exactly how you want to set up your ads to make sure they actually perform correctly as a real estate wholesaler. But with this being said, it's something where yes, it costs $1,500 to $2,000 every single month in ad spend per 500,000 people. But the good thing is you want to pick an area where you're going to rank high, and so you don't have to go through a whole city. You can pick one area. It's very nice to do it that way, and I talk all about that in my video in the description. But it's something where you get those leads instantaneously, where you can get that ad spend back, and that's what I like so much about it. Whereas SEO is great. Don't get me wrong. Having your website ranked here is great, but this is what I'd rather be doing: is get your profile up there first, because it's going to not take very much time if you do it correctly, and you can get an ads campaign up here very quickly to then use this combo like I have here to get motivated sellers. And then once you have some consistency with these two methods of getting motivated sellers, then while you're doing this and having success with this, this is when I would get a website going, because a website is going to take a few months, probably anywhere from 6 to 12 months, to actually get a little bit of ranking and start seeing results. And that's just the unfortunate reality. And unfortunately, when it does get more competitive of an area, it's going to make it even harder to do so. And so that is where just the downfall of it is. And that's why I like profiles and PPC campaigns to start out, is because of how much easier it is to get this up here, as well as you can buy your way to the top and get that money back instantaneously while getting inbound lead flow and getting a good taste of it while you're waiting for your website to actually get up there. But this is pretty much what it looks like for my company that gets 10 to 15 motivated sellers every single month, doing a ton of deals with SEO, PPC, and a Google Business Profile. It's basically our PPC campaigns up here, profiles up here, websites ranking, and obviously there's going to be keywords that you don't typically rank for right away. Like as you can see here, I mean obviously we rank at the top for this one, but there's many keywords that you might rank number 2 for, number 3 for, right? Your PPC campaign might be ranking in the 3rd spot that day. Sometimes you can't control that kind of thing, but as long as you have all 3 set up, even if one of them's not working that day. Say my PPC campaign was down here, but my website was up at the top. Great. Say that, in this case, there's no profiles being shown, so at least I have my PPC campaign up here, and vice versa. So making sure you have all 3 of them is very, very important, because that way, if they see your company name, like for example, if they see your company name on this search like this, Sioux Empire Home Buyers, wow, okay, there we go. There we see it again, there we see it again, and there we see it again. Who do you think they're going to choose out of all of these people? They're going to scroll past all of the random sponsored, all of these other people that does not matter to them, all these other companies, because they've already seen our brand 4 times. Outside of all, you're just taking up real estate for all of your other competitors. I mean, how would you miss us is essentially the way I see it. But this is pretty much the lead source that gives us a lot of our deals on autopilot with providing no effort. And when obviously a motivated seller comes in through Google, there's a lot of conviction there because they're looking up keywords such as this. If they are looking up a keyword on Google, and they go to your website and they become a lead, they either call you or fill out the form, that is the hottest motivated seller you will ever deal with because of the effort they have already put in to find somebody just like yourself. That's why the close rate with these is super, super high. And so that's why we do so many deals with this, because you can do, you don't need very many leads. It's usually like 1 in 3 to 1 in 5 of these leads with SEO, profile, and everything on average combined that you're closing. And it's very, very good. Very, very good. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions on any of this, feel free to comment below, or you can shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram. I respond to those pretty quick as well. But if you want me, or you're curious about me doing your SEO or your Google PPC for you instead of you doing it yourself, feel free to click the link in the description. I'd be happy to chat with you. But otherwise, I link multiple videos down in the description that's going to talk about how to do all this stuff step by step, pretty much, if you want to go ahead and give it a crack for yourself. But otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. It helped me out a lot. Thanks for watching.